Still not fluent in English? Here I have in my hands English Fluency Guide for you. How to become near native in English. This is second edition. I have already sold its first edition. Here we have book slogan, don't take the wrong turn, take the right one and save yourself years of struggle. YouTube channel name is Life Skills Green. Now let me see and read here back cover of this book, How to Become Near Native in English. This English learning guide is written for passionate learners who are committed to reaching near native fluency. It serves as a practical resource for both English language learners and teachers. Inside, you'll find strategies to strengthen speaking, listening, reading, and writing skills with a focus on clarity, accuracy, and natural use of the English language. So, here I have. This book is just only 80 pages long and you have very practical content lists here. My word, number 1 is my word. Number 2, holy grail of language fluency. Number 3, real speaking skills. Number 4, how to expand your vocabulary. Number 5, advanced listening skills. Number 6, communication skills. The power of silent reading. 8, write better in English. How to watch English movies to improve English fluency. Number 10, play with AI language models. 11, what is business English? 12, intermediate level English roadblocks. 13, translation and dictation are hurdles to learning English. 14, use of the article the. 15, the importance of English pronunciation. 16, which accent should I follow? Here you have more topics in this guide, English Fluency Guide. 17, how to master a near native accent. 18, 2 types of grammar. 19, reading is faster than listening. 20, quality learning approach. 21, who is the true language trainer. 22, how to go from advanced C1 to near native C2 in English. 23, language learning differences between native speakers and non-native learners of English. 24, low score on the IELTS. Audiobooks on the go. 26, unlock your potential. 27, best online learning resources and tools. Recommended English learning grammar and vocabulary books. 29, is grammar necessary for learning English? 30, how to learn English using the metaverse. 31, how to expand your thoughts and writing. 32, rapid English fluency. 33, learning English through context. Number 34, the mindset shift. This is very practical, short, handy guide, English fluency guide for you. If you buy, just comment below. I'll send you its PDF guide for you in PDF form, fluent in no time. See you in the next video.